Learn English. Hello, everyone. Here are the two words for today. Number one, chin, cheek. What's the difference? Very good. Number two, the box is not small. It is correct. Number one, please listen and write this in your notebook. Jennifer is touching her chin now. Jennifer is touching her chin now. Chin. Jennifer is touching her chin. What does chin mean in your language? Correct. Jennifer is touching her chin now. Now change it to every day. What does she do every day? She touches her chin every day. Now change it to tomorrow. What will she do tomorrow? What will she do tomorrow? She will touch her chin tomorrow. We have one chin and two cheeks. Now we can make a flashcard for chin and remember it forever. Please make a card like this. Write chin up here in the top left corner, C-H-I-N. Cheek is the other one we will learn later. Down here, BDY1, this means body, level 1. Over here, the number 5 out of 25. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The first two sound like cha, cha-cha. Altogether, chin. Number 2. In this one, we talk about this animal. What is this animal called? Correct. Number 2. Please listen and write this in your notebook. The elephant is large. The elephant is large. Large. Large equals big. The elephant is huge. It is massive. The elephant is large. Now change it to a question. Is the elephant large? Now we can make a flashcard for large. Please make a flashcard like this. Write B, large, up here in the top left corner. L-A-R-G-E. It equals big and huge. All of these have the same meaning. Down here, A1. This means adjective, level 1. Over here, the number 44 out of 88. Now I will show you the IPA. Please write the IPA up here in the top right corner. The last two blue ones together sound like ja, like Jennifer. And then all together, large. Large. Game over. You did very well today. 1 chin. 2 cheeks. The box is not small. It is correct. And if you're high level, here are the level 2 words for today. Number 1, can you say it? Correct. Wire. Yeah, like this here on my mouse. This is called the wire. Number 2, to be invisible. Does that mean you can see it or you can't see it? Correct. You cannot see it. Number 3, correct. Completely. Adverb. Today is Friday, October 17th. Show number 242. Please write your language on the other side of the card. My name is Vinny from Canada. Thank you for watching.